Hey guys, welcome back to another Sean Does DIY 1-minute review. My family and I are finishing up our spring break camping trip. Before I left, I installed this Blackstone 17-inch griddle on a swing arm on the back bumper of my camper. I gotta tell you, I love this griddle. This thing is great. Used it pretty much every day this week. I made burgers, we made eggs and sausage, bacon. We made a Korean beef meal one night. This thing is great. So if you're thinking about getting one, I highly recommend this thing. Now, if you get a griddle, you might want to think about getting things like griddle tools. You can get a hose that attaches to a regular propane tank, so you can pretty much take it anywhere you want. Yeah, this thing is great. I love it. All right, guys, there's your 1-minute review of the 17-inch Blackstone griddle. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
This looks great.
This looks great, man. Thank you.
Thanks, Daddy.
You guys are welcome. It's been an awesome camping trip, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about the food?
It's good.
Good.
All the stuff we cooked on the griddle pretty good?
Yeah,
Yeah,
really
it was
good.
really good.
Burgers and
Cooking
stuff.
stuff.
Yeah? Awesome. All right.